Over 200 rivers of India originate from the jungles. Sipna is one such river which cuts across Melghat Tiger Reserve from the east to west before it empties itself into the mighty Tapi River. Originating from the numerous rain-fed streams of the forests of Melghat, Sipna leads into the magnificent Jawarkund waterfall. Sipna is one of the 5 main rivers of the region. Flowing through the gorges and ravines and cascading over the rocks, the Sipna River touches the valley hamlet of Simado. This is a major tourism center of Melghat Tiger Reserve. Spread over a sprawling green and picturesque campus besides the Sipna, the eco-tourism complex at Simado has comfortable rooms for the tourists who come to Melghat. It is a home in the heart of nature besides the flowing, pristine Sipna. A rich diversity of wildlife is found along this beautiful river. A few miles downstream from Simado is Kolkas, where the then Prime Minister of India, late Srimati Indira Gandhi, visited in 1974 and declared Melghat as one of the first 9 tiger reserves of India. Kolkas is the place in Melghat from where you can go for an elephant ride into the forests. Visitors can even watch the pachyderms taking bath and playing in the water, and even see them being fed. The campus is beautiful and offers a peaceful and comfortable atmosphere for those who come to visit the nearby jungles. Along with it, the stay at waters of Sipna offers the blissful opportunity for the tourists who can watch the different kinds of birds alongside the banks throughout the day. Flowing through the heart of Melghat and being a life giver to the small and big animals, the Sipna reaches the village of Harisal. The rare stork-billed kingfisher can be regularly seen near the Harisal Tourism Center besides the Sipna River. Kayaking on Sipna has become a big attraction in Harisal. A beautifully nestled resort with 4 comfortable rooms and some homestay facilities nearby has become the newest destination for tourists visiting Melghat. Sipna to Melghat is a precious gift. Come, cherish it. Visit Melghat.